Infinity Ahzee, a sign of dignity, taking action to develop the students. It's time to move up, get smart, learn English, get a lifestyle.
Actually, in the morning, I get up early in the morning, then go to washroom and get fresh. After that, I go outside for morning walk. Getting back home, I then have something food what I get easily. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my homework. Completing it, I get ready to go to my school. In the evening, I usually visit around the town. Sometimes I try to play cricket. However, in the weekend, I make a tour. Before sunset, I get back home. Getting back home, I get fresh. Next, taking a cup of tea, I start my homework. At night, completing my homework, I enjoy television along with my parents. Then, we all of our family members have suffered together. Next, I go to my personal room and join my personal job. After that, I go my bed for sleep. And that's all.